Hi YouTube, this is How to Skateboard for Beginners Part 2 or whatever. But you already learned how to push and all that to get on, so some tricks or something. If you learned how to do some tricks already, whoa, well, forget what I said. I'm just gonna teach them how to go a little fast and all that. You have to loosen the bolts to turn it like me. Like you have to, man, stop it. Like this. See? Our bolts are done. I just loosened them and now watch how I can do it. Works. And another way to turn is like this. I done showed you that, but that's how. It's just yeah, whatever. But you can leave a comment and tell me anything you want to learn how to do. Please leave a comment or